Hi everyone, today we are going to see about matrix. Matrix is a set or group of number arranged in square or rectangular array enclosed by two brackets. So these are the two brackets. You can able to see the here 1 and minus 1 in a bracket. Similarly 4, 2, minus 3, 0 also in a bracket. Okay. What is the advantage of matrix? Matrix reduces the complicated system of equation to a simple expression that we will learn in our future classes, and this is the system which is very much suitable for a computer. If you have a computer desire, the matrix is the one which is operating inside a computer. Okay. So next, the important properties of a matrix. So matrix have a specific number of rows and specific number of columns. That is here, and these two numbers, that is row cross column, it is written, but actually this cross it want to be said as by. Row by column we have to say to when we express the dimension of a matrix. This is the dimension of a matrix, that is row by and column, that is row by column, that is R by column. R represents the number of rows and C represents the number of columns, and usually we will say 3 by 3 matrix, 2 by 4 matrix, like this, not cross. It is not cross, you have to say it as by. So 3 by 3 matrix will have 3 rows and 3 columns. This is row number, this is row number 1, row number 2, and this is row number 3. Similarly, this is column number 1, and this is column number 2, and this is column number 3. So what will be in the case of 2 by 4 matrix? We will have two rows, that is this is R1 and this is R2, and this will be 4 columns. This is C1, this is C2, and this is C3, and this is C4. Number of elements in the row is always depends upon the number of rows and columns. That is, in 3 by 3 matrix we will have 9 number of elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this 9 comes by the multiplication of number of rows and number of columns, that is 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So what will be there in the 2 cross 4, that is 2 by 4 will be 8, and similarly here it is 2. Okay. So this is the general expression of a matrix. How a general expression of matrix is going to be, I already told. So before that, this is the capital letter. Always we will denote a matrix by a capital letter, okay, and the elements by a small letter. We should understand, we should follow this rule, that is, if I am representing a matrix, it should be a capital letter. And this is A11, this 1 represent the rows, and this 1 represents the columns. That is, A11 element is in first row and first column, so it is A11. Similarly, A12 will be in first row and second column. So each element in the matrix will occupy 1 row and 1 column, and that is represented as A11, A12, A21, A22, and like that. And this is the general expression. So we doesn't know how many number of rows and how number of column is going to be, and we are going to say as M by N matrix. It is M by N matrix, right? So I will have, at last I will have M N, that is number of rows. So I is for rows and J is for columns. Okay. So using this there will be a sum like this. We can see that sum now. So construct a 3 cross 3 matrix, 3 cross 4 matrix actually, 3 cross 4 matrix. Construct a 3 cross 4 matrix which elements are given by Aij is equal to 2i minus j. I already told I is row number and j is column number, right? Okay. First we want to construct a matrix with 3 cross 4. So I can write like this, right? A 3 by 4 will be equal to A11, A12, A13, and A14. I am stopping here because it has only maximum of 4 columns. Similarly, here A21, A22, A23, A24. 2 here actually. Okay. Then A31, A 3 2, A 3 3 and A 3 4. I can stop. Why? Because I have 3 rows and 4 columns, right? Okay, now this is the element. Now this is not the matrix. I want to generate Aij is given by 2i minus j. So if I take A11, I can write as 2 into, here I value is j, j value is 1. I value is 1 and j value is 1. So 2 into 1 minus 1 will give me 1, right? Similarly, A12 will give me 2 into 1 minus 2, which is equal to 0. A13 will give me 2 into 1 minus 3 will be giving minus 1 as answer. A14 will give me 2 into 1 minus 4 will give me minus 2. Next A14 finished. Now I want to go for the second row, that is A21. A21 will be 2 into 2 minus 1, which is equal to 3, right? Similarly, A22 will be equal to 2 into 2 minus 2, which is going to be 4 minus 2 will be 2. Similarly, A23 can be written as 2 into 2 minus 3, that is 1. A24 can be written as 2 into 2 minus 4, which is equal to 0. 1 second. Okay, then we are going for third row, that is A31, which can be written as 2 into 3 minus 1. 2 into 3 minus 1, which can be written as, so 2 3 are 6, 6 minus 1, 5. Similarly, A32 can be written as 2 into 3 minus 2, which is 4. A33 can be written as 2 into 3 minus 3, which is equal to 3. A34 can be written as 2 into 3 minus 4, which is equal to 2. Okay, now we find that corresponding elements value, right? Now we want to form the matrix, that is A is equal to, what is A11 value is 1. Similarly, A22 value is 0 and this is A31 is minus 1. A14 is minus 2, right? So similarly, I can write this 3 2 1 0 here, 5 4 3 2. So this is how you want to construct a matrix.